says the standard enthalpy of reaction for the reaction given here, 2 moles of nitrogen dioxide goes to 2 moles of nitrogen oxide plus 1 mole of oxygen is 117 kilojoules per mole. What is the standard enthalpy of reaction in kilojoules per mole for this reaction? And what we'll have to do is we will have to relate our new reaction to the one that we had before. Let me just write them out here because they're a little hard to see up there. So there's the reaction where we know the delta H. The reaction that we're trying to find is 6NO plus 3O2 goes to 6NO2 gas. That's a scribble. And the question we're being asked is, what is delta H? Now for this particular problem, can anybody help me out what we need to do to turn this top reaction into the bottom one? First off, do we have to flip it?
Yeah.
Yes,
No.
we do.
Yeah.
Yes, we do. So, and when we flip it, so flip reaction, right, delta H changes sign. So negative. Or let's say this, times -1. That might be another way of doing it. And then what do we, so now let's do this one step at a time. So if we take this top reaction and we do 2NO plus 1O2 goes to 2NO2. Delta H reaction will just be -117 Now, what do we have to multiply it by to this reaction to turn it into the one we're looking for?
3.
Yep, exactly. Multiply it times 3. And then we also have to multiply the delta H times 3. And so when we do that, our answer will be for the 6NO plus 3O2, it'll actually be 3 times -117. And delta H is going to be -351. And this problem actually takes numbers, so you'll have to put in -351. And it does tell you what units, so good. And you'd expect those units anyway. And thank you for everybody for their help. Any questions about this? Because there's only really 2 things we know how to do, and this is very applicable to the previous problem we were working with Hess's law, but it's just a smaller version of it, because all we're doing is we're flipping it and we're multiplying it